Hey everybody, it's Internet Adam and Mallard Mike Butler here at Bowling Green Chevrolet. Hey Mike, what are we looking at here?
We're looking at a 2018 Chevy Silverado LT Z71. This thing is awesome. The Z71 package comes with the paint to match bumper, grill, and mirrors. It's got the skid plate underneath. It's got different shocks in the rear end.
It looks sharp. It looks sharp. I like the aesthetics of that.
It does. It does. It looks really good.
This is what this is. So this is our most popular selling truck here at the dealership, right? I mean, LT crew cab, 4-wheel drive, Z71. It's got the look. It's got the middle fold up console to allow for extra seating. A lot of folks using these as family vehicles nowadays. You know, not going SUVs, buying a nice crew cab truck.
Absolutely. We sell a bunch of these a month. I mean, it's hard to keep these things on the lot. With the options these things have for the price that they have, it's hard to keep them.
Here we're coming out here, taking a look at the back seat, kind of give you an idea.
It's got plenty of room for you and your family. And if you like to get a little muddy, we do offer some fully front to back mats, rubber mats, so you don't even have to worry about taking your boots off before you get in.
I've seen those. I've seen a lot of people purchase those after the fact and come back. Yeah, a lot of nice things you can add to these trucks too to personalize them, customize them for your needs. There's that console folding. You know, I'll tell you, trucks. You know, we always have a nice selection on hand because we like to have, you know, availability for people to check out the different features. But we've got access to all the colors, to all the features. So come on by and check out what you like, what you don't like. Hey, I'd like this, but maybe I want this color. We'll figure it out. BowlingGreenChevy.com or come see us here in Bowling Green, Missouri, right off Highway 61.